Hi guys, how are you doing? Thanks for clicking and welcome to English vocabulary. In this video, we are gonna talk about kitchen vocabulary. So, let's get started. Microwave, toaster, kettle, blender, hot plate, coffee maker, grill or broiler, stove or cooking range, dishwasher, apron, bowl, chopping board, grater, spice container, colander, frying pan, saucepan or pot, pressure cooker, wok, baking tray, rolling pin, spatula, steak hammer, whisk, ladle, strainer, fork, chopsticks, cleaver, tableware, cookware. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.